So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you new style of particle animation with using RealFlow plugin. So firstly guys, I create some composition. So guys, firstly I'm going to take a sphere, yeah, and sphere radius guys take 50 centimeter, yeah, right. Okay, so next one guys, I take cloner. So select this pair and make child with cloner. Yeah, guys, select this cloner and see guys, that's my position. So position y1 take 0 and x1 increase like 100 more, 150 is good. Yeah, and guys count increase like 5. Yeah, see guys, that's my simple spheres, right? Okay, so guys, go to here like this, yeah, and next one guys, I take cube and cube size increase like x1 2000 and y axis like 5 and z1 2000. Yeah, right. See, okay, so guys, this time select this cube and go to down like this and position y axis minus 50. Yeah, guys, more like this, minus 5 3. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, again copy this cube and rotate like this, yeah, and go to back, yeah, and again copy and rotate 90 degree and back. Yes, see guys, that's my simple composition, right? Okay, yeah, all is good. So guys, select this cube, this one, and again copy. So go to up and guys, change size, this one, change, decrease like 50, yeah, and increase y-axis like 25, yeah, and z1, yeah, 25 is good. So guys, apply on here, yeah, and guys, again select this cube and copy. Yeah, see guys, that's my simple composition. Composition is really good, simple, right? Okay, so now guys, I apply material. So I go to create and load material, and guys, I have material file like this. That's my material file, right? So apply. So guys, apply this one, that's my pink material, yeah, apply and apply, yeah, and this one and apply, yeah, and guys, take 2 UV change, yes, and same, select this material, holding control key, drag and drop. Yeah, see guys, that's my composition, and select this one little bit inner. Yeah, see, right? Okay, so guys, my composition is finished. Now I create animation, so use RealFlow. So select this RealFlow and screen, yeah, and all is good, and take circle, this one, yes, and circle, go to up like this, and guys, change size I like 25 and 25, yes, and guys, go to back and play. Yeah, okay, so guys, now most important part, save this project, like take any file name, yeah, right. Okay guys, this time I increase frame like 500, and increase full. Yeah, and guys, I change speed. I take like slow motion 120. Yeah, and go to here, guys. I take sphere, that's my particle, and sphere radius I take 3. Yeah, and go to down. So guys, select this pair and make child with flirt. Yes, and play. Okay, so guys, go to pack, select, and this one. Yeah, this is good. See guys, that's my particles. So play. Okay, so guys, you can apply spare material, gold material, and again play. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, all is good. Now I apply collider body tag. So guys, select this pair, real flow and collider, and friction guys 0.5, bounce 0.1. Yeah, right. So guys, select this tag and apply all shape, holding control key, drag and drop. That's it, right? So guys, this is take little bit time. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, I take camera, this one. Yeah, and camera check. Guys, set camera angle like this. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, go to here, flirt, and guys, I increase this time resolution like 20. That's it. I take 20. Yeah, and next one, guys, use gravity. Yes, and gravity strength this time I like 500. Yes, and yeah, all is good, guys, right? Okay, so ammeter is good. And now guys, I go to screen and auto parameters uncheck, and guys, all take 10 and subtract 10. Yeah, see guys, that's my real flow setting, right? So go to solver, that's my setting, and ammeter speed 120, and that's my size, and go to flirt, only change resolution, and next one, that's my last one, gravity like 500 centimeter. That's it, guys. This is my all setting. So go to here. So guys, now play. Okay, see guys, right? See, that's my effect, particle effect, right? Okay, so guys, last one, I create this ball position animation. So stop, and guys, go to here, that's my cloner. So go to chord, and guys, position change little bit. Yeah, like actually this one. Yeah, like minus 650. Yes, and press this animation key, and guys, go to last one, 500 frames, and go on here like 0. That's my 0 position, and press this animation key, right? So guys, go to here and save and play. Yeah, right. See guys, that's my final animation. It's take little bit time. So guys, stop this animation, and guys, this time I go to render setting and change some setting on here. Guys, I use only global illumination, this one, and indirectly cache, rated cache take low, and T select best, and max level I like 2. Yeah, and go to save. Guys, use JPEG sequences. So go to desktop and create new folder. That's my folder, and take any file name. Yeah, and output use all frame. That's it. So guys, close. That's my final render setting, and yeah, all is good. So go to screen and cache. Guys, use cache check and cache simulation. Click. So guys, after building cache, create render. So guys, that's it. That's my new style of particle animation with using RealFlow plugin. So guys, if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.